siya natin.
Ganda.
Ito yung tunnel. Ito yung mga history of the church dito sa Philippines. Sa mga general authority na nagbisita. Yan ang temple ng Cebu Temple. Ito yung first member of the church dito sa February 1945 during the World War II. Ito yung unang sister na naging member sa Philippines. Back in 1946, Sister Pabilona Fajardo.
Fajardo. Sobrang tagal na pala po.
Ito po yung first missionary na na-assign dito. Missionaries assigned the Philippine Island during the American War. Si George Seaman and Willard Cole, nowadays serving in the U.S. military during the Spanish-American War, are set apart as missionaries in the Philippines Island. On August 30, the restored gospel is preached in the Philippines for the first time, 1898. Ito yung first church Latter-day Saints celebrate the 60th year of its official presence in the Philippines with local members of 805,000 lang po dati. Ngayon,
Pero ngayon sobrang dami na po.
nasa 770 million ata.
Oh, ganda talaga.
Ito pa yung papunta sa kapilang site dito po sa Distribution Center, NPC. Missionary Training Center. Ito po ang NPC. At dito po yung Philippine Bishop po sa Distribution